Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford Bronco Roof Easy Guide. Start by unlocking the rear cargo latches and removing the interior covers so you can access the roof release handles immediately. Work with a partner to lift panels evenly and avoid dropping any pieces. Keep the roof panels upright and secure them against the vehicle or on a soft surface to prevent scuffs while you move to the next step. Begin at the front of the vehicle and unhook the front latch, then move to the rear latch to keep the panel from catching. Gently lift and slide each panel along the side rails using even pressure, and ask a friend to help with heavier pieces. Once removed, set panels on a padded surface or into protective bags to avoid damage while you prepare to stow them or reinstall later. When reinstalling, align the guide pins and rail slots first to ensure a smooth fit and avoid forcing the panels. Lower panels evenly and engage the front and rear latches, then press the seals to confirm they sit flush. Finish with a short test drive to check for wind noise or water intrusion, and recheck latch tightness after a mile to be sure everything is secure for regular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.